Let's use the Arduino board to light another LED. And let's light it from port 8. Port 8 is this port right here. So first of all, let's look at what an LED looks like. This is an LED. There's a long wire to the LED. That's the positive wire. LEDs are polar. That means electricity only flows one way through them. There's a flat side on the disc over here on the other side for the negative side. Usually the leads are cut off. The leads are the wires. They're usually trimmed so that they'll fit in boards. You can always tell the polarity of an LED by whether or not there's a flat edge. The flat edge is the negative. Now, LEDs are very sensitive to the amount of amperage sent through. The current is too high, they'll burn up. There's a famous law called Ohm's law. Ohm's law states that voltage is equal to current, they use the letter I for current, times the resistance. Now, we're going to want to limit this current. This particular LED runs well only if it has 15 milliamps. Now remember, current is in amps. Remember also that the voltage given out by the Arduino is going to be 5 volts. So let's write that in. 5 volts is equal to, now this current requirement, let me think now, 15 milliamps would be 0.015 amps times the resistor. Well, let's divide those two. Let's see, this is going to be 5 volts divided by 0.015 is equal to the minimum resistor that we're going to need. So let's put a less than or equal to, that way, resistor. When we divide, we end up with 333 for the resistor. Now I don't have a 333 resistor. What I do have is a 470 resistor. That would block easily enough voltage to make this system work. Let's wire it up. This is the positive lead, this long one. So we're going to wire the resistor. Let's twist the resistor in with the negative lead. There. That was easy. Now let's get our Arduino board out. And we're going to plug this in to port 8. Now if you look over here, that's the ground. So we can ground this whole thing by plugging the other end of the resistor into the ground port, like that. Now, I'm going to run the same program, and I'll show you how we can turn on both lights. I'm going to copy the digital right and paste it again. remember the LED built in. We're going to change that to 7. And we're going to copy this digital write where we're turning the built-in LED off. And turn off port 7. Now, let me upload this. Oops, let me change that to port 8. Let's upload that. And as you can plainly see, it doesn't work. Phooey.